Hi everybody, I'm here again with a new project to show you. I absolutely loved making this. It is, go to the paperwork Lorraine, from Country Craft Creations. It's called Recipe Box and Envelope and it's beautiful. Now I'm hoping that you're going to be able to see what all around here. That's the top, this is the front. And I put these little spoons on the front as a closure. I put magnets under the back of there and on the front of here. So that holds it close because I just thought it looked cute. And the back is this and the sides are so. Right, so inside this lovely box no, I want to try and make sure that you can see everything. Here we go. Are these lovely big folders. Now, a lot of people print their recipes off the internet and they come in A4 size. So this is such a lovely idea because you've got plenty of room to pop it in. Now, I've coordinated a couple of collections here because they go so well and because I love the colours. So the papers that I used, some of them are from this collection that I'm sure if you know, you know. It's a very old collection by Dovecraft and it's called Cupcake Boutique. You can still get it. And as you can see, absolutely stunning papers. And I've still got quite a few left to make something else with. I'll put those out the way. So there's 6 folders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 7 because I made one wrong. And I couldn't bear to part with it and I corrected it. So that's the one. And then the green one next. I've used the gingham as much as I can because I liked that idea. And inside's all papered as well. And then the back, you have this pocket that you can put smaller recipes in if you wanted to, or really whatever you want. And then we went on to a blue one. And I must stop saying I love this paper. It's become a habit. I must stop saying that, but I truly do. So this is from another collection, these cupcakes. It was one of those pads that you buy from Die Cut with a View. And I've got so much stock of that in my stash that I really do need to use that up. And on the back, I used the little roses on this one and this. But you get the general idea. I'll just quickly show you all of the others because I think they're lovely. And why not? I can't remember which one I went wrong on. I'm sure I'll find it. Once you've got the hang of making one though, it's very simple to go on and do them. Now, as you can see here, I've done a bit of colour blocking because I hadn't got enough of that design to fill down. So I finished off with that design. I must use the rest of the paper, so I'm going to find a smaller project to use that paper because it's a nice paper to work with. And the blue again. And on the back. And the last one, which I can't see which one I did make a mistake on. Well, I'm pleased I can't see it. So, and this is the last one, which is another pink one. You've got a big pocket there. I put the pocket up here instead of down the bottom. Something very simple. And it really wouldn't have mattered. However, I wanted all those to match and then I put this in as well because I couldn't bear to part with it. I thought somebody would quite like to use that, I'm sure. So that's that project. And Country Craft Creations have so many projects, tutorials. You could lose yourself for a month on the website, to be quite honest. Well worth having a look at. Lots of very, very talented people. Thanks for looking. Bye.